finger, holding down. You just need to shift one fret aage. One fret ahead you need to move. And placing your finger on the third fret of your string. So that becomes your G bar chord. So can you just try playing that? Just try playing that. Your bar will be coming on the third fret. You're placing it on the fourth fret. Yeah. And your second finger, that's on the fourth fret of the B string. Your third finger on the fifth fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the G string of your fifth fret, and making it a bar chord as G. I know it is for the beginning. For beginning it is difficult. Just play it. Just try playing once. Don't leave it. Just try playing once. Correct. Now all the way from top to the bottom, from 6 to the first string. Just play. Play a little hard, wherein I can listen. I know you need to place your finger. Just put it across, like you put the switch, press on off. You do. Just switch it on there and then all the way down. You need to put pressure. It is, you know, you will be hurting your fingers, your fingertips.
It's not that I'm hurting it. I can't reach anything.
Placed it. Yeah, but your bar on the first fret is little dheela. Yeah.
My fingers.
See, now I can see your finger. What I can see your thumb is, it is moving. It is not parallel. It is not parallel. Just try playing once. Or just remove your middle finger, your ring finger, jo bhi hai. Your middle finger, sorry, yeah, and remove that, and place your third and your ring finger and the pinky finger where it is actually. Nahi, it's on the aage wala fret. Aage wala fret. Nahi, that this way, look here. This way. So I'm not using this. This is basically covering up this way. Yeah. So that becomes your G. So you need to place, you have a problem. I know it is a beginning part and this thing. You can play a G chord if you want, because that G bar chord and the G major chord is the same chord.
Okay.
So the difference is just of holding the chords basically. I've seen people playing a lot of bar chords because it makes your hands stronger. Your fingers become stronger. So you need to do that.
The barcodes to make your fingers stronger.
It is. I mean, this is my personal experience. That's what I'm saying.
Does it sound different from the normal
It's the same sound. It will come as bright as like the way it is. So it's just the sound a little bit varies because a lot of bass notes are being used. The bass strings are being used. That is the reason. That's otherwise there's not such much a difference. I mean, you can. There are at times wherein players they, I mean, supplement. I mean, you can say replace either by not by playing the major chord, but they use a bar chord. Some people find it comfortable. Some people don't find it comfortable. So that way it is. Otherwise, there's nothing. But the major and the minor is there. That you don't have to forget. Major chord, minor chord is there. That you cannot forget. Again, the positions differ. Your positions differ from place to place. Yeah, from fret to fret it differs. Okay. So just we'll do a quick preview of what all things we've done. I want you to repeat. Have you made the the new chord, have you made that parallel lines on the B minor and everything? Have you done that?
Yeah, you told me to do it on the same.
Yeah, on the same itself. It's just okay. Now taking this thing very similar, just shift the same structure one fret all ahead. That becomes your G bar chord. You've written there, na, B minor.
Okay, so like here.
Yes, it's just here. Simple.
Okay.
Yeah, that's your G bar chord. She's having trouble playing.
I said any simple जो पहले से सीखा हो record.
Okay. Can you play a C chord? I'll be playing a C chord. Just play C chord. Just play C chord. I just want to figure out things. From the fifth string, from the fifth string downwards. Correct. And your A major chord. Louder. Yes. Your D chord. Yeah. That's your D major. Correct. One more thing I would like to tell you, you can add your little finger down on the E, the same structure. So what you can do is practice the same D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. After the fourth count, you add your pinky finger on the E string of your third fret. Play your D chord, play a normal D chord. Play first normal D chord. 4 times strum it downwards. Correct. After fourth, your pinky finger adds on to the third fret of your same structure. Adds on to the third fret of your E string. Now play 4 times again. It's basically called adding the note. So it's like adding fourth note. Adding the fourth note on the D string, on the D chord basically. So you can write down if you want to. So because in every chord, either a fifth note or a fourth note or third note gets added, just to give it a ornamentation to the chord basically. It's basically an ornamentation to the chord. So you're basically embellishing the chord. So that ways it is. So you can, while strumming, like for example, I'll show you an example. So you can see the difference of adding a third note or a fourth note into it. So I'm basically playing, I'll play those two chords, one chord only, adding the third note once again. So one brighter note gets added here. So that's the only difference. It's basically to embellish your chord. It's basically to beautify your chord, how you're playing that. It makes it a different chord. So on a one single chord,